What's up, beauty queens and kings? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be flexi rodding my hair. I haven't done it in a long time since my hair was longer, so I'm pretty excited to see how it's going to turn out. So today I'm going to be using one of these sizes. I might use the orange ones, but I'm not too sure if my hair can like wrap all the way around there without coming unloose. So I might just use these blue ones since I have more of them anyway. But yeah, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and let's get started. All right, beauty, so I just washed my hair, and right now I don't have any products in it besides conditioner. So the products I'm going to be using today is going to be Kinky Curlies, Not Today, Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, and Camille Rose Moisture Milk. Had to flip it upside down. So I'm gonna try to put this orange one in the back. Hopefully it stays. I'm going to just wrap it around. It's doing something. So we're gonna see. We have to see how it's gonna look once it's dry. Hopefully it comes out right because I haven't done it, like I said, since my hair was longer. Well, I have all the product on this piece. Just gonna comb it out, and I should not be using this comb, but I'm gonna use it anyway. I mean, it's going right through, so. I think I'm gonna do smaller sections at the top so I can have a little more definition, but we're gonna see. Alright guys, so my camera cut off as I was doing this top part, but this is how the hair looks. I feel like this part is a little straggly and needs some work, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a little difficult with my hair being short. But y'all, what texture do y'all think my hair is? I know it's in the 3 family, but I'm not too sure. I mean, my hair is different textures all the way through and around my hair. I know we're towards the end of the video, y'all, but don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Right, beauty, so this is how it looks. I'm going to actually go to bed and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning. All right, beauty, so this is the finished look. And I have to say, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. There's still some curls, there's still volume, so I'm not mad. It's a little frizzy. The thing is, my hair wasn't done drying. It was a little damp when I started taking them out. So as soon as I took out the first one, I knew. I kind of was like, okay, I already know how this is gonna go. But y'all, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it at all, especially it being the first time since I started growing my hair out, because I want to try to find different ways and different styles that I can do, because I'm tired of the normal wash and goes. And I mean, I've been trying to slick my hair back and do different stuff. So, you know, I'm just trying to get into a new rhythm in this new journey. So I know it's going to be a little difficult, but I do know if I did leave the rods in a little longer, even if I put the hooded dryer on or the cap on, that I would have been set. But I'm a little crunched for time, so I know I didn't have, you know, all that time to try to do, like, you know, do the most, not the most, but, you know, to ensure that my hair was dry. Like, it's been 10 hours. I could have swore it was gonna be dry right now, but trial and error, but I'm pretty excited because it still looks good. Like, what? But all right, beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for rocking with me. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content. Be sure to check out the next video.